Stop reaching for that coffee first. Most people are unknowingly accelerating their own aging before 8 a.m. It's not the sleep you missed, it's the sequence of your morning routine. Today, we're cutting through the noise. We're giving you 3 simple, science-backed habits totaling less than 15 minutes that act as an instant reverse button on your cellular clock. Watch until the end, because the third habit, practiced by high-level CEOs and centenarians, costs you absolutely nothing and is the most powerful. This is your golden gains for a longer, healthier life. Let's begin. Habit number 1, the 20-ounce hydration protocol. When you wake up, you are dehydrated. This state of low water affects your energy, your cognition, and critically, your skin's elasticity. You need to front-load your day. Before anything else, before brushing your teeth, before checking your phone, drink 20 ounces of filtered water. Adding a pinch of high-quality sea salt or a squeeze of lemon replenishes the trace minerals lost overnight and signals to your body that it's time to fully activate. This simple action instantly kickstarts your lymphatic system, flushing out metabolic waste that accelerates aging. Habit number 2, the 60-second cold shock. Don't panic. You don't need an ice bath. You simply need to conclude your morning shower with 60 seconds of cold water. This intentional temperature shock triggers a process called hormesis. It's a mild, acute stressor that forces your cells to become stronger and more resilient. The short-term benefit is a massive, clean surge of focus and energy. The long-term benefit? It reduces systemic inflammation, which is the root cause of most age-related diseases. Do this every morning, 60 seconds. You're training your cardiovascular system and your mind to handle stress better. Habit number 3, non-negotiable morning sunlight. This is the powerful, free habit I promised. Within 30 minutes of waking, you need 5 to 10 minutes of direct sunlight exposure, ideally without sunglasses. Do not watch the sun directly, but expose your eyes to the natural light. This simple act resets your circadian rhythm, your body's master clock. When you skip this, your body struggles to produce melatonin effectively later that night, leading to poor sleep. And poor sleep is the fastest route to accelerated aging. This regulates mood, boosts vitamin D, and sets you up for deep restorative sleep tonight. Longevity starts and ends with your sleep quality. To summarize, 20 ounces of water, 60 seconds of cold, and 10 minutes of sunlight. That's your anti-aging shield. The beauty of these habits is their consistency. Do them every single day. Your future, healthier self will thank you for the cumulative gains. Now, I want to challenge you. Don't just watch this video. Try these 3 habits for the next 7 days. If you're serious about taking control of your health and longevity, tap the subscribe button now. We break down the most powerful, doctor-backed hacks every week. Save this video and share it with one friend who needs a morning reset. See you in the next one.